To transfer Bnfcr to Spot in 2025, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Binance account and that you have Bnfcr in your account. If you do not have a Binance account, create one and complete the verification process. Next, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Binance Smart Chain section. Here, you will find your Bnfcr balance. Click on the Withdraw button next to Bnfcr. In the withdrawal window, select the network as Binance Smart Chain and enter the recipient address. The recipient address is the address where you want to transfer your Bnfcr. Ensure the recipient address is correct as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. Enter the amount of Bnfcr you want to transfer and click on the Withdraw button. You will be asked to confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details carefully and confirm the withdrawal. Once you have confirmed the withdrawal, the transaction will be processed and your Bnfcr will be transferred to the recipient address. This process may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the network congestion. After the transaction is complete, log into your Spot account and navigate to the Deposit section. Select Bnfcr as the coin you want to deposit and select the Binance Smart Chain as the network. You will see your deposit address, which you should use to receive the Bnfcr you transferred from your Binance account. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain and your Bnfcr will be credited to your Spot account. It is essential to note that transferring Bnfcr to Spot involves some risks, including market volatility and network congestion. Always ensure you have the latest information and follow best practices to minimize risks. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with transferring Bnfcr, as they may vary depending on the network and the recipient address. By following these steps and being aware of the risks and fees involved, you can successfully transfer Bnfcr to Spot in 2025.